The BTF Planetary Mixer by Doyon features a powerful belt-driven motor with overload protection for the highest reliability and efficiency while keeping maintenance costs low. The half-horsepower motor and non-slipping belt provide the durability and torque necessary for tough mixes. It comes with 20 mixing speeds and a slow ramp up to speed to reduce spillage and facilitate consistent incorporation of ingredients. The BTF mixer comes with these standard features: easy to use digital controls with a 99-minute timer, 20 speeds and 7 programmable speed and time settings, a manual lever for lifting the bowl. It includes all stainless steel bowl, dough hook, flat beater, and whip attachments, has a stainless steel safety guard, heavy-duty carbon steel frame with lead-free enamel coating for easy cleaning, a 10-quart capacity, and options include hub attachment and a stainless steel finish. Your BTF mixer comes with 3 standard stainless steel attachments. One being the flat beater, a dough hook, and a whip attachment. Really nice feature of this whip attachment that sets it apart from competitors is the fact that in 4 spots, your rungs are spaced further apart, which allows easy cleaning and removal of product when it's built up in the inside. Spatulas can fit right through this slot to remove any excess product. Another nice feature of this whip attachment is the fact that we can unscrew the top portion to remove for easy changing out of your rungs. Also, over time, if there's buildup that occurs up there, this can be washed by hand or through a dishwasher to remove any buildup. Another standard accessory with your planetary mixer is this in-feed chute. The benefit of using an in-feed chute is that you are not required to stop your machine when you're looking to incorporate more liquids or flours to your product. So whether you need to add in vanilla paste, eggs, milk, the likes, water, you can add that in through this chute. Looking at our control panel on the BTF mixer, we'll see a few things. We have a control section and a timer section. Control is just increasing and decreasing the speed at which our machine runs. Goes all the way from 0 to 20. Once we've selected which control we want, we would just hit the green button. For timer, again, this goes all the way from 1 to 99 minutes. You would choose the time desired, and upon the start of your machine, it'll start flashing, indicating that it's now counting down from 8. As your machine is running, you do have the option of bumping up your time without stopping your machine and changing the speed at which your machine's running. This machine does have a safety catch on it, so when your machine is running, if you lift the guard, it will turn off. As your machine is running, there are 3 ways to stop it. First is to hit your stop button on the control panel. One is to lift your safety catch. And then the last is to hit your emergency stop button. This actually will take all power away from your unit, so you will just need to release that to turn back on your mixer. The BTF mixer is a belt-driven system. This is in contrast to most competitors who use gear-driven systems for their motors. The benefit of a belt is that you can get more torque and power with less weight, and they are actually easier to change when you're maintaining your machine. This planetary mixer is the workhorse of any restaurant or bake shop. Delicate enough to whip up batches of meringues and whipped creams, yet heavy and durable enough to handle yeast-risen doughs. Today I'll be making up a batch of simple whipped cream to show the whip attachment in action. Now let's say that I stopped my machine to check the consistency of my whipped cream and I had forgotten to bring the speed down to 1. I'm going to go ahead and shut my guard. And normally I'd be afraid that when I turn my machine on and it's still at a speed 9, that the machine would pick up too quickly and splash my whipped cream everywhere. But thankfully with this slow to fast speed start on this mixer, we will never run into that issue. So I'll go ahead and start machine back up. It is at a 9 right now, but you'll notice the slow to fast pickup. And then stopping the machine, it's got a slow start as well. Doyon's planetary mixers come in many different sizes and configurations, ranging from a small 10 quart all the way up to 140 quart. We will have any size that meets your establishment's needs. For more information on Doyon's other line of planetary mixers, instructional manuals, and warranty information, please visit our website.